Hello friends, a very warm welcome to the Excel classes. In this entire classes of Excel, we will cover more or less all the topics in Excel, starting from the basic level and moving up to the advanced level. My name is Varun Gupta. I am an MBA in finance, a chartered accountant and an international CFA. I have worked in the finance industry for around 7 years now, and what I'm trying to compile in this classes is um, all the learnings which I have gathered in the past 7 years and even before that is during my MBA courses or during my graduation days. So I will try and share whatever I have learned or whatever issues I have faced and try to solve them by using the various modes. So I hope this class will help you in becoming um, a better Excel person. I'm not saying you will become an Excel expert after doing this class, but it will definitely help you in boosting your career, in increasing your efficiency when you're working with data and analysis. I would expect you to when you are approaching this class, the approach should not be to focus on the problems or examples what we are doing, but the focus should be on developing the thought process, right? So what is important is that when you're looking at an example or when you're looking at a particular function, try and understand and gather the thought process which is there so that you can apply it to your particular problem and your situation in your work area, right? uh, what I would also find very helpful for both of us is that when you in case something is not clear, okay, and if you have any questions or doubt or queries, you I would like you to post it as a comment and do share your feedback very honestly with me so that we can both improvise over it. In case after completing all these classes you feel that there are some other topics which you want to be covered, please give that as a feedback and I'll be glad to cover it in our next classes. So finally, I hope that you enjoy all these classes, and okay, I hope you enjoy the classes and all the best. Thank you.